Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can set shipping rates on Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I am right now on my Shopify dashboard and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of the first screen, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of these sections. You're going to find the home section, orders, products, customers. Right here, you're going to find content, analytics, and marketing and discounts. Here under sales channels, you're going to find online store and also point of sale. And lastly, here you're going to find your apps. And in the bottom, you're going to find settings. First of all, go ahead and click on settings. Once you do that, here you're going to find all of the different settings for your online store. Right here, you're going to find all of these sections. Here you're going to find the general section, plan, buying, users and permissions, payment, checkout, customer account, shipping and delivery, and so on. Go ahead and click on shipping and delivery. And once you do that, you're going to be here in this page. So once here under shipping, you're going to find general shipping rates. So go ahead and click on this arrow and then you're going to be taken to this page. Once you're here, you're going to find your products right here. Scroll a little bit down and then here, you're going to find fulfillment location. And then here, as you can see guys, you're going to find your shop location, shipping zones, and then here rates. As you can see guys from here, you can add a rate. Just click on add rate and then choose the rate type. First of all, here you're going to find shipping rates. Here, add the rate name, the delivery description, and lastly, the price. And then once you finish, click on done. And then it's going to be added. Click on done. And as you can see guys, it's added right here. You can also customize your rates. Just click on edit rate. And then you can customize it from here, edit it. And once you finish editing, click on done. And all of your changes should be saved. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.